In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop syncing Google Contacts with Pipedrive CRM. Maybe you connected your Google account to Pipedrive a while ago to keep everything in sync, and now you've decided you don't want those contacts flowing back and forth anymore. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go and what to click so you can safely turn that sync off. First, open Pipedrive in your browser and make sure you're logged into the correct account. Then, look to the very top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile, which might appear as your name, your initials, or an icon. Go ahead and click on that profile area. A small menu will drop down with several options related to your account settings. From that menu, choose the option called Personal Preferences. This is where Pipedrive keeps all of your user-specific settings, including things like language, notifications, and of course, contact sync settings. Clicking Personal Preferences will open a new page or panel with several tabs along the top. Next, look for the tab labeled Contact Sync. This is the dedicated section that controls how Pipedrive connects to external contact sources like Google. Click on Contact Sync to open it. Here, you should see details about any active syncs you've set up, including your Google Contacts connection. Within this Contact Sync area, find the option or button that says Stop Syncing. This is the control that will disable the ongoing synchronization between your Google Contacts and Pipedrive. When you click Stop Syncing, Pipedrive will not immediately shut everything down without asking. Instead, a confirmation pop-up window will appear. In this confirmation window, you'll usually see a short message explaining that stopping the sync will prevent further updates from being exchanged between Google Contacts and Pipedrive. This does not typically delete existing contacts. It just stops them from updating automatically going forward. Take a moment to read the message so you're clear on what will happen next. If you're sure you want to proceed, click the Confirm button in that pop-up. Once you confirm, Pipedrive will turn off the sync. You might see a brief loading indicator, and then the Contact Sync page should update to show that the Google Contacts sync is no longer active. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you've successfully stopped Google Contacts from syncing with Pipedrive, giving you more control over where and how your contact data is managed.